Hey everyone, RJ here with CV Tech, and today is going to be an unboxing of an iPhone 6, but this is going to be a different kind of unboxing because I bought this iPhone 6 here for a specific reason. So we all know what an iPhone 6 is, of course. This is the 32GB model here. This is the Boost Mobile variant. And so let's go ahead and just take the top of it off here and look at the phone, of course. And it's always nice to pull these phones out of their box, being brand new like it is. And let's go ahead and just rip off this plastic here. Always fun to do that. And we'll go ahead and just look in the box, just for anybody who don't know, which I'm sure everybody does. Of course, you have your manuals and all this stuff here, as you can see right there, iPhone 6 and stuff like that. I don't see a SIM tool in there, but I don't know why that is, but don't see one in there. And of course you get your earbuds there, your lightning cable, and of course your wall adapter there. So pretty much the iPhone 6. Now, as we all know, after iOS 11 came out, the iPhone 6 kind of slowed down quite a bit. I mean, this phone still costs around $200 in the prepaid field. And, it's surprising this phone here is so expensive, seeing as the SE, which is no doubt more powerful in every way, shape, or form. This phone here is still more expensive. Now, I bought this phone here because, as you know, 11.3 came out. It's supposed to be more optimized, be faster, make these older iPhones faster. So I'm actually going to take this iPhone 6 right here on 11. I'm guessing it's going to be on 11.2.2, something like that. I'm going to do app opening test. I'm going to, do it with like with a stop timer, stopwatch, and all like that, and do some comparisons with other iPhones as well, and then update it to 11.3 and see if it makes it any faster by doing other speed tests and comparison stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead right now and just power the phone on. I've got to find the power button because I'm used to the iPhone SE. So we'll go ahead and power the iPhone 6 on. Go ahead and get all this stuff right here out of the way while it is powering on. So this is more of an experiment more than anything with this iPhone 6. And honestly, I like the iPhone 6, even though it's not as powerful as, say, the SE, and all like that. And it'd be kind of cool to compare it also with the iPhone 5S, because it slowed down quite a bit as well on iOS 11. And as you can see right here, taking a while for it to power up. So what I'm going to do right now is get it all set up, go to the main screen, see what kind of version it's on, and I'll explain a few more things and we'll be done. So give me 1 second and I'll come back very shortly. Okay everyone, so the phone is set up. Now let's go ahead and go right into the settings, and we'll scroll on down here to the general and about the phone. This phone here is running version 11.2.5. So I'm really glad to see that it's not on 11.3 already, because like I said, this phone right here is basically going to be like testing out between 11.2.5 and 11.3, checking the battery out. This is on Boost Mobile. I don't have Boost Mobile coverage, but I can use this phone and all that kind of good stuff. And then I will, like I said, I will be doing, I'll download all my apps that I always download. I will use a stopwatch, on this version here, and see how fast it is powering on, opening apps, and then the same thing with 11.3. And I'll also do a speed test, comparisons with this phone versus the SE versus even the 5S. That's still not updated yet to 11.3. You can just see the differences here between those two devices. But I gotta say, honestly, I am still a fan, of this design. I mean, I am a bigger fan of the SE, 5S SE design as well. But this right here looks pretty good as well. I mean, it's nice to have a bit bigger display. However, I can just see here that sometimes it's just not very responsive. So maybe 11.3 will help that out a little bit. Really don't know. Testing out battery and all that kind of good stuff. So this is the iPhone 6. Going to be just testing this thing here out in various ways. And, I'm loving the bigger display here. It just looks really nice, really good. So, if this was helpful and informative, I know this is like this second or third unboxing I've done of an iPhone 6. But it's basically just unboxing it and telling y'all what I'm going to be doing here with this iPhone, so you can expect all these videos to come up soon. So if you're looking forward to this and it's going to be kind of awesome and everything, hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would really be appreciated. Also hit that bell. I'd really appreciate that as well. Y'all have a good one, and thanks for watching.